Hello kids, I'm Sharmin Sheila. Today I'm going to draw a toy car. This is very simple and easy. So kids, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe my channel. This toy car is very simple and easy, so you can draw with me. So many colors. This is orange color. Wow, I'm painting a car with a beautiful orange color. I love painting, so kids, do you like painting? Kids, if you're enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. If you don't like yellow color, you can use another color. Kids, this is green color. I also love this color. This is blue color. Blue color is very beautiful. I also love this color. Kids, do you love this painting? This toy car is so cute.